This tutorial will show you how to set up a gallery for your site. Proper planning should be considered. We are going to set up a main page with a subpage of our galleries. By looking at our site here, we are just going to set up a gallery page site right after our sitemap. Take a quick look at our site. What are we going to do next is we're going to go to our website builder and start and log in into our control panel and start creating our gallery. To create our gallery, what we're going to do first is go up to our add modules and click on gallery. What we're going to do next is give our name to our gallery, which we will re-reference in the page later on. Here we successfully got a message that we created our gallery. Our next step is to add images to our gallery. What I'm going to do next is just to randomly select 5 images and then upload them into our gallery. Once we select all our images that we want here, we're limited to 5. We will hit the submit button. Once all the images are uploaded successfully, we either have the option to upload more images or just go ahead and close this particular window. Your site should refresh and showing you the recently uploaded images. Here you will decide if you have images that you accidentally uploaded, you have the option to delete those images to remove them off your gallery. What we're going to do next is take a quick look at the notes that are demonstrated on this particular tutorial and the question marks available on our website builder. On this particular tag, it tells us here that this is a particular name of your module which will reference your gallery. If you want your gallery to show up in any of your websites, you could also use the insert method, which I will later demonstrate here. This is another note, adding the module to the place. After you have configured the module or added the content to it, it still needs to be added to the page before it can be viewed from your web servers on the page. To insert this modules onto the page, click the options to edit the page. Click your cursor in the editor on the page where you would like this module. Then click the insert module drop down menu. This is the method that we will be using later on here. To add our gallery, what we're going to do is we are going to create a main menu. Not main menu, we're going to add a page to our main menu. Our first page is going to be the main page of our gallery, and then we'll have our galleries under sub-pages. So later in the future we need to add more galleries that will fall under the main, and we are going to enable it gallery, and then of course the tutorial will be our first gallery here. Once we added our tutorial subpage, we got to tell it to be under sub. It will be a subpage under our gallery main page. Here, after we make this change here, we'll go ahead and save the changes, and you will see later on that tutorials will fall under as a subpage to gallery main page. The next thing is we'll be adding is inserting the module photo gallery. Here, as you can see, it's in the pull down list. And all we have to do is select the area like it said on the previous message, is select where the cursor within the editor and then select your tutorial or insert your module. A quick note on this, it doesn't matter what the text before the insert module or the on this tutorial is. On this particular, on the main gallery web page, it will be ordered with every sub menus that it has. Our gallery is completed, and now is just to go ahead and test it and go to our main site and review our work. This concludes our tutorial on how to add a gallery to your site. Please visit simplewebconsulting.com.